In this video, we will explore Docker logs and container output management. We will specifically focus on viewing container logs and output using Docker commands. Docker logs are the output streams from running containers. They capture standard output, represented as stdout, and standard error, represented as str, from containerized applications. These logs are crucial for monitoring and debugging your applications. The basic Docker logs command is Docker logs followed by the container ID or name. This command shows all logs from a running or stopped container, providing a complete history of the container's output. To follow logs in real time, use the command docker logs flag f followed by the container ID or name. The flag f follows log output continuously, similar to the tail flag f command in Linux. Here are some common options for the Docker logs command. The first option is tail 50, which shows only the last 50 lines of the log. The second option is since 2 hours, which shows logs from the last 2 hours. Now let's explore some timestamp options. The first option is timestamps, which shows timestamps for each log entry. The second option is until 1 hour, which shows logs until 1 hour ago. Here's a practical example. Docker logs flag follow flag tail 100 timestamps my web app. This command follows the last 100 lines with timestamps from the container named my web app, providing a detailed and time-stamped view of the application's recent activity. In summary, the Docker logs command provides access to container output streams. Use flags like f, tail, and timestamps for better log management. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.